Morning, Angie Janke, Management Recruiters, Indianapolis North. Wanted to take a minute to share with you some information about a recent job search that I was just given by a client company. This is a confidential search, so we have to be very careful about the information that I'm able to share on the video. However, if after listening to the video and seeing my job posting you feel interested, you can call me or email me your resume and I would be happy to disclose more details about the company. Right now I can tell you that the company is located in Central Kentucky. It's a very stable organization, a company that I've worked with for about the last 9 years. I've worked with many different locations and many different departments within the organization, and everyone that I have placed with the organization is still with the organization and very happy with their decision to join the company. This particular position is an IT director reporting into a VP. This particular client has multiple locations, and so experience managing and having familiarity with working with multiple locations would be key. This particular company has about 35 maybe locations that this individual would be responsible for, along with approximately 1,500 employees. I would say about 800, about half that in actual IT users that you would be supporting. The staff is not that large. It's only a staff of about 30 in the IT organization, and this particular company is looking for someone who has experience with software implementation. They are currently running JD Edwards and will be moving to SAP. So any experience specifically with JD Edwards and SAP would be very beneficial, however, not required. We are looking for a generalist, someone who has strategic and visionary experience with regards to aligning the IT organization with the company objectives. Again, I can't share a lot of detail with you, but I will say the organization offers a very nice benefits package. They also offer relocation assistance and a company car. Salary is in a nice, very fair and reasonable range at $130 for the cost of living in this location. That is a very generous package. Please do give me a call or shoot me your email with your contact information. I will review your resume and get back to you. Again, Angie Janke with Management Recruiters, Indianapolis North. You can call me toll free 888-906-0202 extension 1206, or send me your resume via email ajanke@mrindianapolis.com. I appreciate your time and I look forward to working with you. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.